I like it. It's cute.
I like the color.
I love the color, and it's really soft.
Can't wait to run the Frederick half marathon. This is unreal. Chris, did you buy this?
That's cool. I like that it's flat on the back and just.
I think that's a good size too.
I tell you what, I want to wear it now. Let's go.
Super cute.
Sleeve length is perfect. Fits really well.
Ooh.
Fits perfectly. Large.
And it fits really nice.
The sleeves are not too long because I have sometimes shorter arms, so I don't feel like they are over like my hands too much.
I think it's great. And this isn't too big. This is perfect size.
Nice collar, not too tight, not too small. It's the right color, the way I look at it.